The last chance to see these women before Beijing. 18 Olympians in the field today. Christine Pilt's going to be taking it out very hard as she tries to see where all her hard fitness has come to. Sarah Gruff, one of the athletes expected to be leading through the early stages of the swim, and of course Maghalie DeMarco, the bronze medalist from the 2000 Olympic Games, always a strong swimmer. 21-degree water temperature. It has been damp early this morning. DeMarco out of the water right there, so she will have the swim cream. Pilts just ahead as well. You saw Gruff. There's May with a great swim. Spirik, unbelievable swim, and there, right there, just out of the water is the likes of Andrea Hewitt. So Nicola Spirik with an unbelievable swim. The woman who had some injuries to her running legs through the best part of 2008 has come back with a vengeance on the swim. It is an 8-lap bike course and a bit technical. You can see the damp pavement right there. The water right now is holding up in the clouds, but it has been damp here early on through the best stages. And you can see right there the tail group, Tanja Heibrich, back right now by about 50 seconds and losing time. As we are taking a look at the chase group of athletes here, Zeta Szabo, the Olympian from Hungary, back up to our lead group right now, and the Swiss are dominating. It has been Nicola Spirik winning the first of the bike preems as well. Her teammate DeMarco winning the swim preem. You can see the clouds in the backdrop, so the temperature right now just about 16 degrees in this lead group, includes the likes of Pilts. As we take a look back to the chase group, who are continuing to lose time. Erin Densham, the Olympian in this group, as well as Szabo, and they are losing some time right now. Will be frustrated, but here comes our lead group of 20+ women. 5 Swiss in this group, 2 of the Germans in there as well, 1 American, the French athlete, and one of the athletes to look out for right there. There's Daniel Reef, the 23 and under champion, world champion Gruff. There is Sam Warner, and the Kiwis are here in fine form, including Debbie Tanner. As we watch them taking off right now, there goes Pilts. The Swiss have been here in large numbers and look to be in great form. Elizabeth May immediately going to the lead. Spirik trying to track her down. Right there is Warner, a little bit further back. There comes the Spanish, and around the first of the boys, it is May, Spirik. And what a great run right now by the French athlete Pion, as she is in the top 3. You can see Hewitt coming through there as well. And Nicola Spirik is holding back nothing here with 3 weeks to go to the Olympic Games. She's only had 1 podium in her career. It was a win in Eilat last year, but nothing like the field racing here in Kitzbühel. Carol Pion right there just sitting on her shoulders. She's just come down from high altitude. Sam Warner at the end of a big training block as well. And third, May, the woman who has been third at the Beijing course, sitting in 4th. And you can see Pilts right there sitting back in 5th place. And here comes Andrea Whitcomb, last weekend's World Cup winner, and Tisha Varas Hungary. DeMarco right now in the top 8. Morera from Spain also in the top 10 and moving very well. 2 laps to go here in Kitzbühel. A huge crowd has been out cheering on these athletes. Debbie Tanner a little bit further back right now in about 9th or 10th spot. Sarah Gruff right there as well, and just behind Eva Dollinger, the woman who is carrying lots of the pressure of the Austrians, with Kate Allen not here this weekend. She's up at high altitude in France getting ready to try to make up the time that she lost with her injury. And now back up into lead, and here comes Warner. She has surged into the lead. Pion from France trying to hang on. Nicola Spirik is now moving and accelerating once again, and we are having a great battle here on the women's side. Last year it was Andrea Hewitt winning. Hewitt right now in about 6th or 7th spot. And you can see a very elated Nicola Spirik, who will claim her 2nd World Cup win of her career. And what a time to do it leading into the Olympic Games. She certainly has laid it down. Carol Pion equaling her best ever performance in 2nd, coming in across the line. 2 of the Europeans absolutely showing that they will be a major factor. And here comes Warner, over a dozen times she's been on the podium, and today showing that she will be a big factor as she gets ready to head towards the Beijing Olympic Games. What a sprint finish. Andrea Hewitt and Elizabeth May. Hewitt, last year's champion, claiming 4th, and there's May in 5th spot.
It was an amazing race for me. I had a good feeling from the swim and on the bike, and then I had a bit cold legs at the beginning of the run, but after the first lap I felt really well there as well, and it's just great to have a win again, and fantastic.
I'm very, very happy because it's only 3 weeks before the Olympics, so what can I do better? It's great.
I'm a little bit disappointed. Didn't have a very good swim and I got very cold on the bike, but and I just didn't have it on the run today. But I mean, it was still a solid performance to finish third in any World Cup. I'm still pleased. So yeah, I'm pleased, but a bit disappointed in my performance today. But hey, you know, still 4 weeks away from the big race, so we'll just put our head down, head over to Asia now, and start training again.
Well, Spirik, the champion for the second time in her life. Fionn, the silver medalist, and Warner, the missed consistency on the podium for the 13th time.